guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video. And for today's video, we are actually starting a video off at the bloody crib. We've actually got my whipperoony pepperoni right here. This is a Vauxhall Corsa 2013. I've said it so many times. For today's video, we are back with another point of view, and specifically a nighttime POV. And look at a beastly car. Woo! Honestly, we're going to be hopping out in this 800 brake horsepower Corsa for today's boys. Look at these fancy indicators. Woo! And it's gonna be beeping because my lights are on. Turn that off quick. Come on. Ready, not again. Ready? Oh shit. Bro, it sounds like my fucking battery's dying. Let me quickly go onto the road and we'll get started. Right, so we're now on the road, as you guys can see. It is a nice nighttime POV. Literally, that time is wrong and that time is wrong. Basically, I disconnected the battery. I've got to talk about this pumpkin head unit because it's broke on me twice. So many people told me that this pumpkin head unit was going to break, and they were fucking right. It is broken on me twice, and it hasn't broke, but you have to disconnect the battery in order to allow it to work again to turn on. So it's bloody annoying, mate. It's pissing me off, but I don't know what it is, whether it's the cold weather that's fucking it up, but it's pissing me off, basically. That's all I can say about it. Let's actually get straight into this, actually. So we're now in 2021, and so far, it's been a sick start to the year for me, at least. So, first off, we hit 60,000 subscribers on YouTube. Big up. Fucking you lot. Pat yourselves on the pat yourselves on the back, you little bitch. Right, honestly, we've hit 60,000 subscribers on YouTube. Seriously, thank you for that. Hopefully gonna repay you guys in some sick content this year. Also, we hit 10,000 subscribers on Instagram. Big up you lot again. We can now do the fucking swipe up feature, so pretty much I'm now an Instagram model, certified Instagram model. And last but not least, DMO DJ actually mentioned me in his fucking video. Lads, we are doing the collab. It is pretty much, the collab is so close to happening. It was meant to happen last week, but they had to cancel last minute. But hopefully this coming week, it's actually Sunday today, so hopefully this coming week we should be able to do the collab with him, and hopefully it'll be up for you lot very, very fucking soon. This lockdown has literally made me not drive my car at all, so my car's just been sitting, collecting dust. I kind of do love it in a way because obviously I'm not wasting fuel, and I can keep the miles down for the next person. It's actually on 30,975 miles right now, so hopefully it won't go higher than that. Oh, listen to that! Mate, the next person who gets this car is going to fucking love it. I can fucking tell you that. Yo, it might not be fast or anything, but you can get insured on it. That is a guarantee. You know, you can actually get insured on it. You're not gonna ever get speeding tickets because you can't really do speed in this. And it's a reliable car for you lot, so yeah. So hopefully you guys are gonna enjoy it. Whoever gets it. What the fuck is that? Looks like fucking Hogwarts down there, mate. What is all that light? Gee. Where we go? Let's go right. Bro, I love downshifting. The only thing I wish I did to this car was maybe a map. But you know what? For a car that is not mapped, this does sound pretty paying. And also, you know, I know one YouTuber who actually got a map on his car and it fucking melted his pistons. I don't know if that's because of the car or because of the map, but apparently after the map, the fucking pistons melted. So it completely put me off mapping, even for my next car. But that was kind of, you know, bare sad, you know, imagine. Oh! Let's actually take a little whip up here. There's the Chinese. That's my fucking hometown, mate. That Chinatown. Yeah. Whip up here. It's actually quite a tight place, so gotta be a bit careful. Dodge these fucking potholes. Oh, dirty! Mate, get in the fucking bin. You need to actually, I need to send this to the laundry dry cleaners because that was fucking dirty! Hold on. he doing? He's walking the middle road. Can you see? I don't know if you guys can see. No, this town is honestly where I used to come with Chloe. Back in the days where we didn't have lockdown, we used to spend so much money at this one kebab place. I'll drive past it in just a second. But this, oh, where is it? I don't even know where it is. That's right there. Right there. It's this one, Efi. Oh my god, it looks like it's shut, man. Oh, it's a Sunday to be fair, but oh jeez. Whip it down here. It sounds loud, but I was only doing 20 around that corner, which catch up with this beach. Where's that going? Good old Daventry. Pick up anyone who lives in Daventry. Got a hubcap there. Windscreen is so fucking dirty, man. 60 for anybody of you motherfuckers who hate on me. Oh, actually, we dropped. For any of you motherfuckers saying that I can't hit 60, I hit 60 for a second and then I dropped. Oh no, I need a piss. Oh, I need a piss. You know when you like, you know when you're pissed. I've been pissing all day like non-stop. It's because I drink like a motherfucker. So honestly, my willy has literally pissing like a fountain. You may as well, you know. I could water a whole fucking football pitch with the amount of piss I've been doing today. That one, his windows down again. Yeah, and I need one now. 30, come on. That's where I got my tyres fitted, Southern Pro tyres. Honestly, sound guys, you know what? If you have this car, actually let me get over this roundabout first because it's quite a fun roundabout. If you actually have this car, hold on. First. Did you hear those pops? Bro, this car's not mapped or nothing. Bro, did you hear those pops? You know what, I've held back on my opinions, but this car is genuinely sick. Bro, and you know what the best fucking thing is? You know what, when you want it to be quiet, let's get up to 50 miles per hour and I'll show you. When you want it to be quiet, it is fucking quiet. And bear in mind, this exhaust isn't even fucking 100% fitted right. Apparently it was a little bit loose. Don't think it's letting any gases out or noise basically, but it was said in my little health check that it was fitted a little bit loose. It said a little loose. So it's not even fitted 100% perfect. But literally, look at this. 50 miles per hour, we're chilling, mate. And then when you want it to get loud, sometimes it has its fucking moments where it's just blasting loud. Like when you have people in the back of the car, mate, sometimes it really does not even shut up. Like when I took it to Southern Pro tyres, right? The guys who worked on the car, who changed the tyres, mate, they were talking about, I could hear it on the dash cam footage, and I could hear them when they came out. They were like talking about the paintwork, they were fucking talking about the wheels. Mate, it was lit. And nah, they were actually like, you know what, when I take it to my dealership to get MOT'd and stuff, they really start talking about all the stuff I've done to it. They said the guy who got in the car heard it on the dash cam again. He said, oh mate, he's even got the steering wheel retrimmed. Bro, it's sick. People appreciate, even no matter how old they are, they appreciate when you modify a car. Jeez, this is well nice, this road. Bro, she's got some fucking balls to be running in the dark. I would say fuck that. Oh my god. I would literally say fuck that. I'm staying at home with a Magnum, a white Magnum, and Harry Potter on. Bro, I've been obsessed with Harry Potter recently. If you got to this point in the video, right, let me fucking know what your goals are for this year. You know what I mean? Goals for this year. I'm very open about this. You know what? Make as much money as I can. That way, I can buy the cars that, you know, you guys are going to enjoy. I can have multiple cars going. That is the main reason why I want to be, obviously I want to put money to savings, money for a house, shit like that. But for the most part, I want to be able to make a sick ass YouTube channel. with new cars, everything, every fucking week or something. Have like a Fiat 500 bath to work on, mate. Honestly, if you stick with me, it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit. Oh, get courtesy cars to film in. I want companies to give me cars to film in. That is actually a fucking goal of mine, because that would be so lit to have a car. Imagine me filming a POV in a different car each week. Let's actually down to it first. Oh, that is a nice roar. Oh, this is a nice fucking bridge, so I can stop on here. Listen, ready? Right, listen, ready? Pull down brake. Here comes the tunnel, boys. You ready? Bro, that was loud. Right, let's actually go through this tunnel. Ready? What are we in? Ready? Right, unfortunately that's the end of today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. Hopefully you guys have a sick 2021. Thank you guys so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram at @OtherStuff. Subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you faces in my next video.